In the previous video, we saw that we were adding the list of the items, right? In this video, what we'll say is, let's say if you're going to type something, for example, Kurt, and if I don't click this button, but if I just press enter on my keyboard, it has to add, okay, anything, new item, and I'm pressing enter, it should add. And also, I've prepared a document, I mean, a button wherein there's a cross or delete item or something. When we click that, it should delete the item from this list. Okay, let's see that. But first, let's delete that and let's start from the first. This was not there before, and then we were not having this button, correct? And also, let's say this is also not there. Okay, so now if we refresh, and let's also delete these things, and then and also handle delete. We'll start from the first. So what's a return, not return message. Okay. Okay. So this is good. So now what we are doing is when I click enter, nothing is happening. When I'm just pressing enter, only the item is being added, but there's no delete icon. Okay. Let's try to do that. So in order to get the delete icon first, we have to add it in a list. Okay. And where is the list? The list. We have to add inside the list. So this is where we have to add it. Let's say button, and let's say delete. Now it's going to add delete for everything. Okay. Let's give some space, span or something. Okay. So this is good. But nothing is happening when I'm clicking delete. So let's give an onClick function. OnClick function will just say handle delete, but it has to know which item is being deleted, correct? So that's where we'll be using the item will be passing that. What item will be passing this is already we are giving the temp variable. Uh, the temp. This is the plastic bag. You remember the item which we are there in the plastic bag. So the plastic bag has to be removed. So this is the one. Now we will define this handle delete function. Okay. Let's define the handle delete function. Handle. What was it? Handle delete. The okay. As of now, we'll just pass some parameter. Let's say some param something. And the thing is, once we delete the new list will be updated, correct? So we'll say set list of. We have to update the new list. So the set list of what was the thing that we have to do? The list. First, we have to do the list dot filter of, and then what we have to do is we have to take some variable, some temporary variable, and we have to for the delete just remember this the syntax. Okay, um, there's some delete of somewhere of param. Okay, so this one, let's see if it's working. So milk, add item, egg, and then curd, some item. Okay, let's say delete. Okay, now it's deleting. Okay, so this is what you need to uh, remember. This list dot filter of some variable of percentile equal to param. That's it. The second thing what we wanted is, let's say if I want, when I'm pressing enter, it should add it over here. So for that we'll use the feature of on key down. On key down equal to, let's say handle enter. We'll define some variable handle enter, and let's say handle enter is const handle enter. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that whatever event we are entering it should first we have to check if that event is something called as enter. Okay, this is what we want, right? Enter. If that is enter, then what we have to do, we have to just call the add function, because we already have the add function. It should not do anything, it should just add it to the list, correct? So we'll just call that handle, we'll just handle add, just call this handle add, and say that please try to do that. Okay, milk add. Okay, now this is not happening because of this one, I believe. K should be um, uppercase, I believe. Let's try milk. Okay, cool. Egg, curd, some item. Okay, I'm not clicking the add item, I'm just pressing the enter keyboard. Okay, this also. Okay, now let's try to delete it. Delete, 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 and delete. Okay, that's it. Thanks.